This is Sharif for Just Nailed It. We are here with a package. You know what this package means? It is from Temu. This is my first haul that I showed you was PR. This is straight all out of my pocket. So, one of the things I got, I can't like fully take out. If you can see right here, it is this canopy netting where you just hang it from the ceiling. I used to have a canopy bed with the drapes and everything that hung in it. It was so sweet. But I did get rid of it just a couple years ago too. But I ordered in black, so that's what's in here. Let's see if I can pull her out. It looks pretty big. It looks pretty big, but I cannot wait to put this up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until I move, which, I don't know, it could be this year, it could be next year, unfortunately. I just don't know what that's going to be. So, next on my list, I got these extra long full cover tips 240-piece box set. Soft gel tips. Sorry about the noise. I ordered these, love them in a box. So, but there's just a problem. Look at the tips of them. These are to do this. Not this. I need full coverage, not. So I paid, $5.08 for these, and I don't need them. So, if anybody would like to purchase these from me for said price, $5 plus shipping, I just wrap them up like this so I can send them out. I don't need them. Like I said, 240-piece box set, extra long cover tips. They are 12 sizes clear. They're numbered. They are. I thought they were coffin. Beauty at your fingertips. If it wasn't for the cuticle area, I would keep them. But no, these are square. Oh. That's my shape too. So I'm gonna part with these puppies. If somebody would like to buy them from me, I'm not putting them in a giveaway. I would like to $5 back for them. So there's that. This is gonna be a really short video. Really short. Get the phone back over here. I have bought. Well, this didn't come in that order, did it? No, it sure didn't. I got these two nail polishes right here. They are 5mm Aurora Gel Nail Polish. And they are sealed, and I don't own tweezers anymore. Let's see if I can slice it open. Let me see if I can get it open. I would like to peel it up and not cut it, but whoops. One should be pink, one should be blue, I think, or purple. I can't really remember. So it looks like it's not going to come up. We're going to have to cut into it. Oh my god, this is gel nail polish. Oh my god, this is blue. Blue, blue, blue. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Now again, let me open my email back up with my order. Oh. Aurora Gel Nail Polish. Look how beautiful that is. Let me see. This is number 4. This one over here does not have a number. Let me see. 6 maybe? I just gotta remember, do not. Because he's upside down. Shoot. They kind of look like they're the same color to me, but I would have to swatch them on a black nail to be certain. Let me take this off. Discard. And then we'll look at them side by side. Oh no, they're not the same by far. There they go. Wish I had a black nail. Alright, we're back. We're going to do us a little bit of a demo here, folks. We're going to scoop some of this polish up here. I'm not sure exactly how much I'm going to need on the nail. Probably not this much. Let's see. Open and frame. This is very pretty. Very pretty. Let's see if it self-levels. My dirty, nasty brush. Okay, it was very dirty. So now we're going to jump on. Let me get these out of the way. Sorry, I'm a little bit discombobulated. Not discombobulated, unorganized. Unorganized, I say. Let's do this one more time. Okay, we've done this nail right here. I'm going to scoop some up here as well. This is kind of different than painting, say, the black on the nail. I don't know, it just feels different. Clean your brush, clean your brush. And they do have brush cleaners that you can buy. I do have such. It's not pulling it out right now. So these are our two, I forgot what they were called now. And I cannot read this. This is not in English. These are beautiful. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp. I'm going to try to get my full 60 seconds. And we'll be back. Alright, we are back. Here are the finished nails. This is the, I think they're like Aurora Borealis. This is this one here. Love, love, love. And they do self-level nicely. And the beautiful thing too is they're not sticky. There is no sticky tack layer, but you still should top coat. And here's this beautiful stunning specimen. Look at it over black. I don't know what it'd be like over white or other colors, but over black it is stunning. Stunning. I do want to top coat these. Whoops. This just feels wonky to me. So I'm going to grab my Una Jello top coat. These are just beautiful. I am so pleased with my purchase. 2 thumbs up, Temu. I have another order. Oh, look at this. Looky, looky, looky. Look how beautiful that is. That is just stunning. Putting those in for 60 as well. So this is my I can't talk. My Temu order. So if anybody watches and they would like to purchase these off me, $5 plus shipping, which I don't know what that would be. I don't know. These are not up for grabs. These are mine. I love them. And then my netting for my canopy bed, which that was $15. That was well worth the $15. These were $1 and change. This is $5.08. I'm willing to lose the 8 cents. It's no biggie, but I don't want to pay shipping on it myself. I know that much. We got 10 seconds left on the clock. 3, 2, 1. And here are our stunning nails. Those are so beautiful. Love, love, love. So get at me, folks. Leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think of my mini small little haul here. My other one that I have is much bigger than this. This was just a little purge. Little purge. I seen it netting for the canopy and I had to get it. I had to get it. So leave me a comment down below. Sorry, getting a froggy in my throat. Let me know what you think of my goodies. Let me know if you want to purchase the tips. And these are just tips, that's it. So, leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please watch 3 to 5 minutes before subscribing. And then leave me a comment so I know who you are. So I can get you back, get you back, get you back. Or else YouTube will consider it spam and take the subscription away from me. They've been doing this cat and mouse game for quite some time, and it's not just me, it's a lot of people. If you just subscribe and don't watch and you're on your way and going about your business, they think that is spam. So please watch 3 to 5 minutes. Leave me a comment down below. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.